back to the another video. Now today in this video I am tell about how to make resume with using Google templates. Now in this video we will make the resume in Google templates, like different templates are using in resume. Like firstly we have we have to go on the Chrome. Now firstly we have to open Chrome like this. Now we have the site name. Now we type a resume builder resume builder. Okay, this is now the website. Now I have already open in my PC. Now this is a website. Now firstly we have this is a website to make resume with using Google templates. Now like this is a resume maker website which are easily to make resume in Google using Google templates. Now this is a website. Now firstly we have a personal detail. Now we have enter personal details in the Google templates. Now firstly we have a job title, like we have already taken a job title, like we have taken a English teacher job title. Now we have enter first name and now we enter last name. Now in scroll down like this. Now we have entered email ID. Now we have entered our phone number. Now in drag lower side. Now this is now we enter address of your locality where you are living in live. And now in other option there is a enter to write the city and state. Now in other option there is a country to enter. Like we have add more details, like we have entered this drag lower side. Now we have postal code option. Now we have enter our postal code. Now we have other option is a driving license option. And this is a driving license option is like when you have a driving license or not. you you are have driving license, you have just enter yes. You have no driving license, or ignore them this option. Now the option is our date of birth option. Now we have date of birth option, like we have entered to our date of birth. Now we have other option is a place of birth. Now we have entered the place of birth. Now last option is called nationality. Now we have entered the nationality, and we have already entered all details in my Google templates. Now we have like this, we have already taken in the template, like we have a page, we have already detailed in the page. Now we have other next. Now we have write all the information or personal detail. Now we have enter next employment history, take a time. Now this is the other employment history. Now we have all all non-specific employee history, like we have employer. We have right to employer or not. Yes, you can write yes. Okay. Now we have already taken the job title. Now we have taken a job title like teacher. We have already taken job title. Now we have entered the start start of the employment, start of her job. And now we are end of her job. Like to decide, now if you don't have want to show month of can type only yes, leave it if you cannot want to display date of the entry. Okay, you are your choice. You have entered the employment history yes or not. In like other option is like in which city you are employment, you are working in any kind of office, any kind of companies. Like we have enter Blanchard, this Blanchard. Now we have enter Blanchard. Now we have this is already taken. Now this is other option to creating in the example. This is a description for the employment, like we have creating implement lesson and plan based on child lead and interest of curiosity. Okay, now we have enter. Now you can using the help of AI get helping AI writer to generate automatically. Now firstly we have enter. Now add pre-written phrases, like we have many options like teacher, Arabic teacher, art teacher, science art, assistant language teacher, assistant teacher, biology teacher. Now we have write like this. These are more and more descriptions for the resume. Now we have enter firstly to complete her. Now back. Now we have going to the next option. Now next option, like we have enter next, like next option. Now we have enter Brookie school name. Now we enter the school name, like we have enter any school name, modern, modern academy, Bullensel, like this. Now we have what degree you have taken. You have just leave. You have no degree. You have just leave this option. Now we have enter. Now we have drag outside, like this. Yeah, this is other description for graduated with high honors. Now we have enter, like we have enter. Have taking the help of chat GPT to write the description for graduated with high honors. Now we have going on chat GPT. Now we have enter, like we have graduated with high honors. Now we have give the prompt in chat GPT. Yeah, graduated with high honor, give 30 word description, like this. We have to take the option, like we have this is graduated by with high honor, demonstrating academic achievement, dedicating excellence, recognize outstanding performance, a proud acknowledgement. Now we have copy this, and now we have again open our website. Now we have paste, like this. Now we have other next to give other new skills, like here to skill we have enter, like we have what type of skills you have done, like we have communication skill, like communication skills. Yes. Now drag lower side, like this. We have next to enter the professional summary. Firstly we have check all the details are filling correctly. Now we have other option is like this is already taken in computer skills. Now we have the other option is like a level option to expand what type of level you have done in computer communication skills and computer skills. Now we have leave and take professional summary. Now we have other option like conspicuous science teacher with 8-year experience. Now we have ignored this, and now we have use language hobbies, languages. Hindi. Like firstly choose, we have English native speaker, like to what level you have speaking your language. We have also choose Hindi, and what level, like we have native speaker. Okay, we have done. Now we have other option, like we have hobbies. I like. Now we have what do you like. I like to watch cricket. And other option, and I like to play badminton. badminton like this, like this. Okay, now we have done. Now we have other custom section. Now we have specific custom section, like no, this as can be done, and use other option like reference. This is many option are to make more suitable for your resume. Now we have to reference. Next, utilize additional section. Now we have enter. Now we have ignored this section. Now we are next, finish, like this. This is our resume to using Google templates. You can add more and more information about yourself. And now we have other templates which you are using in, like this. We have other templates. Now we have other many more templates like this. Like we have this template. We have my resume is more effective and more differently eligible for the any kind of company. Now we have this type of resume. Now we have give color like this. We have different color to give our resume like this. Now today it's all about the video. Thank you for watching my video, and we will meet in another video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.